In this video, let's see another IIT JEE question which was based on the concept of functions and was asked in the year 1983 for 1 mark. The question is basically based on the trigonometric formulas that we have already seen, understood, studied and learnt in our junior classes of class 10th and 11th. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started by solving the IIT JEE competition level question. Let's read the question together. If fx is equal to cos log x, then fx fy minus half fx upon y plus fxy has the value as what? 4 options are given to me: minus 1, 1 by 2, minus 2 and none of these. None of these means A, B, C options would not be the answer. There would be some other value that you would be getting. Let's start the solution by writing the heading as solution, and let's again focus and concentrate what the expression is given to me. The expression is fx multiplied by fy. Where is fx? It is cos log x. So it is cos log x. And what about fy? Fy is cos log y. Cos log y. Then I have a minus sign, so let me have a minus sign. Then it is followed by 1 by 2 fx upon y. 1 by 2 fx upon y. Now, what is log m upon n? It is log m minus log n. So, we will be using that concept. Fx upon y means cos log x minus log y. Right? And next is plus fxy. Now again, what is log mn? It is log m plus log n. So we'll be using that concept in the formula. I have a plus sign, so I have a plus sign. And next is what? fxy, that means cos log x plus log y. So let's split it as cos log x, and let's write it down here at the bottom, cos log y, and close the bracket. Now, let's first write the formulas that have been used. We have used a formula of what? Log m by n. And what was the formula? It was log m minus log n. The formula number 1. And another formula, formula number 2 that I used was log mn, which was what? Which was log m plus log n. Why are we writing these formulas? Because if you look at the solution later on, you can comprehend and understand, okay, this step because the formula was used here, this step because this formula was used. And since it is a formula, let's enclose these formulas in a bracket or a big box, and let's then again move forward with the solution part. Now, I have cos log x, cos log y as it is. Let's write it down as it is, copy them, cos log x and cos log y. Nothing can be changed here, let's leave it. Half is there, okay. And what is cos a minus b? Cos a minus b is again a formula. It is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. What is here? Cos a plus b, it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And so we'll be applying the formula, and then let's see how the question turns. Let's write the formula of cos a minus b. Cos a minus b is what? It is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And similarly, we'll be having another formula which I won't be writing because it is just the reverse of it. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now, when you solve and write and apply the formula here, so it is cos a minus b, which is cos a cos b, that is cos log x, cos log y plus sin log x, sin log y. Similarly, for the second term, you have a formula cos a plus b, which will be cos log x, cos log y minus sin log x, sin log y. And the terms of sin log x, sin log y and minus sin log x, sin log y would cancel. And you will be left only with what? You will be left with cos log x, cos log y, plus again from the second formula the same term would be left as cos log x, cos log y, and since both are the same terms, you have 1 plus 1, that makes 2. So cos log x, cos log y minus half, and 1 plus 1 makes 2, so it becomes 2 cos log x, cos log y. Now, what happens with this 1 by 2 and 2? 1 by 2 and 2 will have 2's cancels. So, it is cos log x, cos log y minus again cos log x, cos log y. So, some term minus the same term means nothing is left. So, the answer is 0. And let's check which option has 0 as the answer. The first, second, third are not 0. So, the answer is option number D, which is none of these. Now, let's repeat what we did in this question, how we did the question. The expression was given, we just solved the expression, used a formula for logarithm there, written here, used another formula for logarithm, written again here. Then, in the next step what happened was we have a formula of cos A minus B and cos A plus B. Now, cos A minus B we know already, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B also we know, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, let's write the combined formula. It becomes that ways. If it is plus, you have the formula in minus. If it is minus, you have the formula in plus. And two terms get cancelled. Which terms get cancelled? Minus sin log x and sin log y terms get cancelled. Only cos terms are left. They both add up to 2 cos log x, cos log y. 2 and 1 by 2 cancels. Both the terms are same. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So, the answer is 0. So, this is the complete solution to the question which was asked for 1 mark in the previous year of IIT JEE for functions.